In this video, I'm going to show you the best bot that plays music in Discord. So this bot is called Musox. As you can see, I've got a server with that bot in it. And the way you can actually get it is simply go into Google and just typing in there Musox Discord bot. And it's the first link that pops up. Now this is completely free. You can use most of the features, basically everything you need from this bot for free. And yeah, I'm going to show you how to effectively use this bot in an easy way. So first thing you have to do is join one of the channels, one of the voice channels on your Discord. So for me that's general, okay? And then you have to type in help, okay? Now when you type in help, a list of commands pops up, okay? So the ones that are most important and that we're going to be looking to are the ones over here, okay? So the first one that's important is join. So we type join, and the bot will join your voice channel, okay? And now that he's in there, you have to tell him what music you want him to play. So the first command you can use is play, and then the name of the song. And let's say I want to play Flowers by Miley Cyrus, okay? You press enter. See, the bot starts playing music. Now the music is muted right now because of copyright reasons, but the music is playing in the background. So as you can see, the bot has also got a nifty little console over here. So you can pause it, skip it, shuffle in case you're playing a playlist, loop the track, go to previous, or turn the volume up or turn the volume down, put another song in queue, and so on. If you want to get another song playing or add it into the queue, you just simply type play and then another song. Let's say I want Despacito. Okay, it was added to queue. And if you want to skip to Despacito, you just press skip over here. Okay, and it skips and starts playing Despacito. So that's basically it. And when you're done listening to music, you just simply type leave, and the bot leaves your voice channel, and you're done.